Hello, children and adults. I am Mandy the Clown. Welcome to my channel. If you want to learn how to paint yourself like a clown, this is the perfect video for you. There are two parts to this video. One is me just painting myself like a clown. The other part is where I'm going to take this clown design and I'm going to turn it into a clown cat.
All right, let's launch into the clown makeup.
Now, this is the part of the video where I'm now going to transform this clown design into a clown hat design. So if you want to stick around for that, then keep watching. The first thing I want to do is I just want to take this wig off because it is so prickly and so hot. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my headphones back on and I'm going to bust into turning this into clown cat, clown cat. So grateful that you're here on my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. There are many other tutorials on my channel, and I have so much more content that I have in mind that I can't wait to pump out there on my YouTube channel. This is a new channel, so any love that you could give my channel, I would so appreciate it. Like I always say, go out and paint the world with your color, your light, and your love, and I will do the same. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!